As a proud Grenadian and alumnus of the University of the West Indies, I am honored to have been invited by the UWI Global Campus Grenada to deliver the 9th Annual Carol Bristol Distinguished Lecture. It is a privilege to honor the memory of the illustrious Carol Bristol QC, who served his community, his country, and our region with distinction. Our topic this evening, as you can see, Grenada's coming of age, our big push for transformation. That topic leverages the milestone moment in which we find ourselves with Grenada at 50. It also speaks to a challenge I posed when the ECCB launched our celebrations of our 40th anniversary last year. The so-called Big Push Challenge. And thirdly, it speaks to the current thrust of the government of Grenada for transformation. So that's where the topic came from. For those of you who do not recall, the Big Push Challenge is framed as a question. The question is, what will it take to double the size of our economy over the next 10 years? And by the way, if you want to personalize this, then you ask yourself the question, what will it take to double your net worth? And you could fill in how many years you want to do that. That's the challenge.